What's what called?
This piece.
It's a drain plug. Is it magnetic?
Plug?
Do you see if there's a magnet on it?
No, because I need to know for tomorrow.
No, there's no. Yeah, it's a drain plug.
So that's what it's also on the car.
Drain plug, yeah. Same thing on a car. All right, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of It's a Dyer Thing. I am here with Sage. Hopefully you can see him, just due to the fact that we're kind of really super ghetto here in our garage, working on the WR250X. Just kind of preparing, getting it ready for the season. So as you can see, we are doing our oil change here, getting rid of all the dirty oil, and we'll put in the brand new oil just before we start it up. We've got the battery to go in. We are now coming almost to the end of March, so it is like super cold, super not snowy anymore. Finally cold. We're done, but it's still cold. It's still.
It's like in the degrees.
Dude, if you feel the ground, if you feel the asphalt, the road, it's cold. So it's still kind of semi-sketchy to ride on. But hey, well, we're beginning this year as hooligans, right? So why not? We swapped out the bars as MT09 bars. So we got MT09 components on this WR250. It's truly unique, one of a kind, badass bike. And so what else did you do? You installed the hand guards on there. Other than that, basic components. The bike is lowered down, completely modded up, super duper. Seat. Oh yeah, you installed the new seat. This is the seat concepts, right? This is the lower. It lowers it down by what, almost 3/4 of an inch. Yeah. So it lowers it and also makes it wider. So anyways, we're going to continue on here. Sage, you have to do your levers. Put the drain plug back in. The oil is finished, so we can cover that up. Sage. And here, get the drain plug back in so it doesn't keep dripping on the ground. So put that in. That was a 12 mil. And next time, don't be wearing those pants either.
Yeah, I have an extra pair.
Huh?
I have an extra pair.
Yeah. Remember, tighty, righty, lefty, loosey, eh? Yeah, don't over tighten it, but give it a good cinch, right?
Yeah.
Oh, tell you, kids nowadays. Okay, wipe off that oil. What? Otherwise, Lieutenant Dan can come down here. You know, as per code 3264 of -5, we're not allowed to. Me and my suspenders there can tell you that you can't do that. So, yeah, he could be right around the corner listening to us. And you continue on and do the levers. Here, 10 mil wrench and a 10 mil socket. Okay, we'll get these guys unwrenched and we'll tinker around with these new levers. What do we get there? That's almost 1 meter and a bit. There we go, that's good. Without a filter change, it takes 1.3 liters. With a filter change, it takes 1.4 liters of oil. And don't forget, only use Yamaha. Yamaha is highly recommended. And the best.
You can't shout the company.
Oh yeah, I'm not shouting out the company anymore. Sorry. Whatever I said, I take it back. How's that coming along? Nice little levers, and then from there you can adjust it as well after too, right? So don't want it too tight on the top. Okay, that's perfect. It's got nice some. So yeah, I ordered up the new flashers. Flashers are on their way. We got the tidy tail. Huh?
Check the bottom.
Yeah, nice and just cinch it up nice and tight, right? Yes. Not over wrenching it.
Can't tighten no more.
No, okay. Yeah, we're got all this that is gonna go too. So, all right, push the bike around.
Huh?
Push the bike out and then bring it back in facing.
So to there.
Well, just whatever. Just turn it around so it's facing inwards now, so we can get the other side.
Well, don't record it.
Huh? Oh, jeez, come on. Whatever, just move it around. Get it out so we can flip it around so we can do the other side now.
I'm probably gonna have to go up there.
No, just go. Keep going. Keep going straight. Back it up. Back it up, back it in, and let me begin.
Want me to put it close to the wall?
Yes, please. Yeah, keep backing up. Don't forget when we put the side stand on, it's going to lean towards the car now, right? It won't be leaning towards the wall. I know. I'm messing with you, boy. All right, we got to take off the side cover here, so that's an Allen key. And the seats as well. The seats use what? I can't remember.
I don't know.
I can't remember. I think they were a M8. Do we have an M8? I sure hope we do. Yeah. So I ordered on Amazon a roller tool that you put it on the ground and then you can roll the wheel because you don't have a race stand. So you can't lift it up. So this way you lift it up like that. And you put the roller on there. And then this way you can roll the wheel while it's on the side stand like this. It's got 2 rollers. So, no, it's not meant that you can start it up and burnouts and like that. But it allows you to clean the chain, because I got a chain cleaner as well. And then you can clean the wheels with it and just keep rolling it, whereas like this you can't, right? So, all right, side cover off. That's a push in and then slides out, right? So that's just a clip onto there and that. So get the battery. Okay, watch, the screw's gonna come out, so we're gonna have to put this, all right, now put the screw back in.
I touch it?
Yeah, that's fine, dude. As long as you're not touching the positive and the negative, and that there's current going in between the two. Like, you can touch them both with your fingers, it's not gonna happen. I'm not sure how bright the video is gonna be. Again, we're just downstairs in our garage. In our garage working on this bike, so we can see, but again, I'm not sure about the camera in regards to a low light. So anyways, all right, so where is the negative one? Negative one's here. All right, doesn't have to be perfect. And then touch on that. Zap! And oh, I'm sorry. Okay, now get the screwdriver. I love you, dude.
I just burped and all the McDonald's came up.
Lovely.
Yeah.
That's gross.
That's good.
So try and put it in by hand first, screw it in by hand, and then finish it off with a wrench.
Yeah.
Or with your tools. Then to try and balance it on the tool and then put it in there. It's just crazy.
But there's still oil on my hands, so slippery.
I know. I gotta go buy some new tools. The tools I have are kind of, they're at their end. So they're so done.
Alright.
Okay, seat on. Right here, you want to give it a fire it up?
Yeah.
Just fire it up, don't give it any gas. It's alive! It's alive! Huh? Yeah, we gotta let it run for a couple of minutes. Because then this way we gotta check the oil.
Yeah.
Can you hear me? It's live. So, all right. Okay, for the most part, you want to do the chain block? All right. Oh, the smell. I love the smell. All right. Okay, there we go. What are we doing here? Yeah, I wasn't sure if there was anything on the other side of it. Is there no bolts on the other side of it? No.
No.
Okay. Is that one coming out or what?
Yeah, I just didn't do it enough.
Okay.
Whatever the hell.
Yeah, make sure you don't touch your pants. All right. Okay, do the next one. The last one.
I'm trying to figure out what's back there because I feel something.
It's gonna be the same one.
No, but I feel something back
Unless
there.
there's a nut.
I think there is.
Huh?
I think there is.
Why is it not popping off?
It's not stuck on anything.
Huh?
It's not stuck on anything. It just won't
No.
come.
Oh, slide it forward or slide it back. Because look.
Yeah, there's a guide. I see it.
Like this. Yeah. There you go.
What is that?
Huh?
Dirt?
Yeah. You want to clean it? No. We don't have anything to clean it with. Okay, here.
Oh,
We'll wash it.
it.
All right, here. You do that, and I'll put it together.
Doesn't feel good.
Huh?
It doesn't feel very good.
It's so dirty.
Huh?
Do they make other color change, right? Like
Yeah, they do. Huh?
I'm just thinking color-wise.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start it again.
Huh?
Start it again.
Yeah, start it up again.
Dank. You can smell the whole place up.
Okay, I want to check the oil.
I'm telling you, the baffle off's not too bad.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Why?
Because
I think it'd be a smart idea.
perfect.
Perfect.
Right. So that's it. So let's go and take it for a spin. No, no.
With the
Anyways,
baffle off.
No, we're not taking the baffle off. Anyways, it's
Trust
good.
me.
Huh?
It's
It's
worth
fine like that. Anyways, hopefully, yeah, the video you're able to see in regards to the light, which, like I said, is super duper poor. That super sucks. But
Ooh, look at that.
at least the WR is now ready for the most part. Got to run it in a little bit more. Huh? It's dirty. Like, it's so dirty. We got to clean this. There's a lot of cleaning to do, and so we'll continue to get that ready and get everything sorted out.
Well, you bring yours home.
Yeah, hopefully my MT09 will be back here with us. I'm hoping within the next week or so. So again, it's the snow's gone. The roads are still a little bit salty, right? They're still a little bit crappy.
Wet a little bit because the snow's still coming.
Yeah, so it's still not. Yeah, it's still a little bit sketchy. So, anyways, we'll hopefully get the bikes over here, and then we can play. Anyways. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you very much for tuning in. And again, like always, if you guys ever have any questions and whatnot like that, do let us know. And like I said, very soon we will be out there outside playing, having fun. And so stay tuned for that. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Other than that, thank you very much for your support, guys. See you soon. All right, peace. Woohoo!
Do you have the tool to remove the baffle right now?
No, I don't have the tool to remove the baffle. Enough with the baffle! It's
sounds-
loud enough!
It sounded good without
Dude,
it.
it's loud enough,
It sounded really nice without it.
Just leave it!
Because it's loud, man. You should have heard. I was at school and the one part of it where we eat lunch.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden I just hear I could tell easily what car it was. It was a GTR.
Yeah, well,
That
then
is straight pipe.
doing that is just going to draw more attention to us, and that's the last thing you want. It sounds cool, but you don't need it. Anyways, whatever.
Yeah.
All right. Bye.